Hi there, traders. This is Currency Watch. We had some interesting developments, I guess, so far this morning. We were knocked out of the Euro USD trade plus 32. That was a long-term trade to make 32 pips. But we'll go. There's just no momentum here occurring, and we're probably going to sit in this sideways consolidation until Wednesday after the FOMC. But we can also take a look at this Great Britain Oz trade that I had a short in here. Let's get to a better layout. It was just a simple pullback play, and it looked pretty compelling. We're still waiting for the Great Britain New Zealand to break out of this triangle, and the Great Britain odds, you can see we had this pair right here. I was just looking for a 50 fib pullback. We're on the trend lines there. I think it came in at 182.40 where I jumped into this trade, and it basically played me. We moved up, jumped into the trade. It moved up. I only actually had my stop above this level, right? I think I had 182.77 or 75. Don't really remember now. But even if I had put them the full 50 pips, it would have closed out because it went as high as 182.91, and then it quickly reversed course. And now you can see the pair sitting right down at the bottom here. So it's just one of those things, and not every trade works. The Great Britain New Zealand in this trend bouncing around here, and like I said, we need to see a break of that, and the yen pairs are just consolidating. Let's open something up here. Consolidating in the in the ranges that they had played in over the last few days. You can see that that's some interesting price action in the Euro JPY, but I mean that's a really small range, 75 pips. And the Great Britain, these things are basically 100% are mirroring one another, which is somewhat interesting actually, but I guess that would show that the JPY is dictating the price action. If we look at the pairs, let's take a look at the Euro USD trade. You can see the Euro USD trade, the pair just basically reversed here, and I guess this butterfly trade would still be in. I think it's still be definitely in play, and the stops would just be above this level here at the 138.04. Might look to get into this again around the close. Not 100% sure. European or New York close. Looking for a push down towards that 137 level once again. But we'll have to see. There is a setup here in the short-term charts that I've been watching, so I'll keep my eye open for that. But from as far as stacker and so forth go, this pair just basically hit the brakes here, and there's really nothing you can do right now. It's just going to consolidate before we get some momentum one way or the other. Like I said, I think I'm looking for a break of either 138.30 or the downside here at 137.10, and we'll need that to get going in either direction. The Great Britain, same thing. This pair just consolidating within this range between 162.50 and not moving much, and 164.65 and not moving much in the short term. Is a little bit more compelling, still at the very bottom of this range. I guess this long-term setup right here is still in play. I mean, you could go long with stops below 88.50, but I'm really not interested in that. Actually, your stops would be below this 88.90, so say around 90. Around the 88.80 level, and you could look for a pushback higher. But with all these longer term trades, the FOMC is going to knock everything out if anything happens. So you might want to wait for that. Jump into a trade, wait for that point to jump in, and that might be difficult too with the holidays coming in. It's a tricky time to be trading for longer term trends. USD JPY though, you can see that this pair is sitting right here up at the top of the range still. That 103.72 level was the very top where this trade would actually been negated, and it did not break that. So if the opportunity comes around, could see a chance to go short that. I'm not 100% sure yet. And USD Swiss franc, just the same thing, inverse of the Euro USD, just consolidating. So basically we need a break one way or the other. I will check back, calling it early today, check back at the European and the New York close. Well, I'll probably still be sitting here at the European close, but the New York close, and see if we can get any harmonic short-term setups, and we'll look for the larger term setups for the end of the day. All right, everybody, have a good one. Talk to you.